Automatic hole machining is a new capability that provides access to the full power of feature-based machining for simple holes, without the need to use or even understand the feature-based machining workflow. The hole features are detected, operations are created, and tool paths are generated. We'll begin by clicking the new Automatic Hole Machining icon in the ribbon. A simple dialog displays, allowing you to begin the feature-based machining process without specifying filters by simply clicking OK. In this case, because we did not specify filters, automatic hole machining looks at all the hole features on the part. The machining rules are executed for the detected holes, operations are created, and tool paths are generated. Automatic hole machining has successfully created drilling, chamfering, and tapping operations and tool paths for all hole features in this part. Automatic hole machining gives you direct feedback through the notification center. Undocking reveals that there are notifications that should be investigated. The first is the most important, indicating there are unmachined features. Below shows additional notifications. In this case, 11 new feature groups and 29 new machining operations were created. The notifications provide direct visual feedback. For example, if we select Show Results in the New Operations notification, we can see all the operations are highlighted in the Operation Navigator. The geometry is highlighted on the part, and the tool paths are displayed. Selecting Show Results for unmachined features reveals one feature that could not be resolved. If we highlight unmachined features and rotate the part, we see that one feature is not linked to anything in the Operation Navigator, but is linked to the multi-step hole feature in the Machine Feature Navigator. This is intentional. Automatic hole machining is designed to limit machining to holes with no more than 3 steps. It's designed to be as simple to use as possible while machining as many holes automatically as quickly as possible. As we can see, this feature has more than 3 steps, so although the feature was found, it was not machined. Even though this feature was not machined, it was still grouped, appearing as an unmachined feature object at the bottom of the geometry view. Grouping unmachined features allows you to easily identify and manually program operations for features that were not machined automatically. Lastly, we'll take a closer look at the filters in the Automatic Hole Machining dialog box. The first filter, All Holes on Face, will only find hole features on a selected face, similar to the filter available in point-to-point drilling. Once executed, you can use the Notification Center to view all the hole features found on the face and all the operations that were successfully executed. We can also filter by face and machining access direction. This case, automatic hole machining finds all holes regards to normal vector to the face that has been selected. It's also possible to define whether generated operations are based on the standard mill drill library or operation sets only. In this case, filtering by face and selecting operation sets generates a customized template for the thread M6 operation. To have more control over the holes that we want to machine, we can filter hole features by defining a minimum and maximum diameter. If we set the maximum hole diameter to 20 millimeters, it will find and generate only holes less than the set value. Automatic hole machining brings you a complete machining process, including the correct operations and tools, generated and ready to validate in only a few clicks.